Get the Aardwolf advantage by purchasing Aardwolf products. This is how the customer receives the transport frame. The package is unpacked. The customer receives the transport frame with the bolts in place. This enables one man to assemble the frame in 15 minutes. The frame is first assembled by hand tightening nuts onto bolts. A supplied wooden jig is used to temporarily hold the crossbar in place. Brace bars are easily fitted onto pre-installed bolts. After the frame is assembled, all bolts are tightened by a suitable ratchet spanner or power tool. All bearing surfaces are rubber top. Note the numerous adjustment slots in the base plate. Locking bars together with ratchet straps are placed in position. Similar competing frames require 2 men to assemble the frames, which takes more than 15 minutes to assemble.
To find out more or to contact